Hey guys, my name is One Gaming, and we're going to play Tifany Mayumi's Revenge 2. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, there's a stop button. What the? Oh man, what happened here? Whoa, it's bodies. What's happening? Oh, is that me? What the? What happened? I see a noob outside. What's happening? I cannot even. What happened? I'm like legit. What's happening? Why am I spinning around? I can't. What the heck is that? There's a noob outside, and why am I spinning around? Okay, guys, let's skip this. It might take forever. Okay, never mind.
Hello, ma'am. Will you help me find my son? His name is Samuel.
What the heck? His name is Samuel. Alright, let's find Samuel. Alright, super mirror. What is this? Nope, Samuel isn't there. Okay. I look so weird. To be honest, yeah. There's a noob! Samuel! Wow, I found Samuel. Let's go downstairs to get Samuel. Right. Hi, Samuel. Let me view it. Your mother. You're next. Tifany. Later that night. What's happening? 3, 2, 1. Roblox icon.
What is up, Trouble Alert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.
Into the news. We have a ton of news for you today.
The first
story,
Tifany Mayumi killed this YouTuber.
What YouTuber? Me? Walkout store. Chips. What happened to my face? Walk out the door. Alright. No, clown! Who's singing? Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. You want to buy a product for, I think I should. Yes. No! Go away. Where are you going? Stop. No! The boss battle! Yes. Hey guys, redo it. Really? Why aren't you putting gaming killing? Okay. 50 billion likes for part 3. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay. That is so weird. Nah. That was so fun. Can I find Samuel for you? Thank you guys so much for watching this, please like and subscribe. That was a weird story, to be honest. And bye.